Yeah, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, Biafrans all over the world. Good afternoon, good evening, according to your time, because we are in the whole world. Welcome to this channel again today. Please, if this is your first time of coming to this channel, please do not hesitate to subscribe on this channel so that you'll be getting notification any moment we post anything on this channel. And all my returning subscribers, I thank you so much, because without you, there is no me. Now, let us go straight to what I have for you this morning. Sit at Home continues today, 15th of August 2021. Yesterday or thereabout, we had on the news that Chika Edoziem, the DOS, have cancelled the sit at home order in Biafra land. But I tell you, this is a plot. Even Chike Doziem himself don't even know what is happening. I cannot blame him. This is a plot by the Eastern governors who are not saying anything about the intimidation, the marginalization, the killing and the massacre of our people in Biafra land. This is a plot. So, as it stands, Sit at Home continues. Spread this message across to people. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you will understand. There is no other way we are going to achieve our aims in Nigeria only through this aim of Sit at Home, because they know this is where our authority is lying on. Nobody should listen. Nobody should look at them. These Eastern governors that are from different places that has nothing to showcase, that doesn't love their people. Specifically, Anambra State is where this thing is coming from. They want to suspend this sit at home indefinitely so that they can conduct election. And the Biafrans, we Biafrans are saying, we all in Biafra land are saying there will be no election except Nnamdi Kanu is released from the dungeon of DSS. This is high level of impunity to the people of Biafra. And the high level of impunity from these people, high level of marginalization, even they are marginalized and marginalize all their consciences. They are not conscientized. They marginalize everything. The road that leads from Anambra State to Enugu State, there is no good road there. The one that leads from Delta to Lagos, no good road. In Imo State, no good road. Mbise to Abia State, no good road. So what else do you expect in a country that has no good road, no electricity, no job? Is it not when you have electricity you can be able to do job? Many of us find it very difficult to watch these things online because there is no electricity. Because if there is electricity, there will be Wi-Fi that you will be using to do this thing free of charge. Many of us waste money in putting data. This is the high level of marginalization, and it is an aberration. It's an aberration. So we will continue sitting at home until Nigeria crumbles. Until they release Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. This is the only thing we can do so that he will be released. In a country where there is no rule of law, where there is no justice, where orders are flaunted, where the judiciary don't have their jurisdiction as an autonomy. They don't have autonomy. Where the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, has no jurisdiction, but they answered Independent National Electoral Commission why they are not independent. Where the police will commit all manner of atrocities and atrocious acts against the people of the land, and no law will hold them captive. Where the army will massacre people and nobody will ask them, and nobody will arraign them before the law court. There is no competency in our jurisdiction. So the sit at home must continue. If you say it will not continue, come out. Sit at home must continue until they release this innocent man that have not committed any crime. This man, why I tell you that Nigeria is a lawless country is that this man met his bail conditions and he was in his place. He was attending court and they sent Nigerian army to go and kill him, which they killed more than 40-something people, even his dog. Why won't he run away? And he said he jumped bail. What kind of bail did he jump? It is only a tree that will hear that they will kill it and they will stay. But human being, when you hear, even animal, when he hears or see the signs of being killed, he will run away. So he did not jump bail. And this extraordinary rendition they did is one of the laws that are against the law of the Republic of Nigeria. And they are sitting for it. So we all must sit at home. With these reasons, I believe, even if you are against the sit at home, you should understand. Because you, in the diaspora, you fear to come back home. You, in Nigeria, you fear to stay at home. If you have money today, you will fly away. So, are we not going to comply to this sit at home so that we can achieve our aims and our country will become the next Dubai we are clamoring to go to in Africa? Is it not good to live a good life? Is it not good to have a good education? It is only in Nigeria you see schools being held without chairs. They sit on stones. It is only in Nigeria. Is it not? If I am speaking false, it is only in Nigeria we have school that is like a market square where there is no block work. It is only in Nigeria. Go to Benue State. So we must continue sitting at home every Monday so that all this atrocious act will come to an end and our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu Onyendu will be released. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Hit on the bell button and select all. You'll be getting notification on anything we are doing on this planet, on this platform. God bless everyone who loves peace and put our enemies to shame. He say.